I use ChatGPT every day, not because it's trendy, but because it saves me a lot of time, and it helps me turn that time into income. In this video, I'll show you exactly how I use it for productivity and online work. Overwhelmed with tasks, planning, writing, research, admin, all of it adds up. AI tools like ChatGPT can remove a lot of that friction if you use them properly. So I'll walk through two things. First, how I use it to save time. Then, how I use it to create income-related ideas and workflows. Let's start with productivity. One of the biggest time wasters is planning your day and figuring out what to work on. Instead of doing that manually, I use ChatGPT to help structure my work. Normally, this would take 20 to 30 minutes of thinking and rewriting. Here, it's done in seconds. I don't follow it blindly, but it gives me a solid starting point. That alone saves a lot of mental energy. Another practical way I use ChatGPT is to plan larger projects. For example, if I'm working on content or building something online, I'll ask it to break the goal into smaller, actionable steps. Instead of thinking about the entire project at once, I get a structured roadmap. This reduces overwhelm and makes progress easier. You can also use it to prioritize tasks. For example, you could paste your full to-do list and ask ChatGPT to organize it by impact and urgency. That alone can save a surprising amount of time. Another way I use this is for writing tasks, emails, outlines, notes. Instead of staring at a blank page, I let ChatGPT create a first draft. Then I edit. That's the key. AI doesn't replace thinking. It removes friction. Saving time is great, but the real value comes when you use that saved time to create income or reduce workload. So let's look at that. One of the best uses of AI is idea generation and structure. Not because it gives you magic answers, but because it gives you starting points. You can quickly see freelancing ideas, content creation, automation, and services. For example, you could take one of those ideas and turn it into a service, a workflow, or a small system that saves someone time. AI helps you move faster from idea to execution. Let's take a simple example. Imagine you wanted to offer a basic AI setup service to small businesses. You could ask ChatGPT to outline the service, define the deliverables, and even draft a proposal template. Instead of spending hours figuring out how to package it, you'd have a starting structure within minutes. You still apply your own thinking, but AI removes the blank page problem, and that's where the real efficiency comes from. The key is not using ChatGPT once. It's building a repeatable workflow around it, plan with it, draft with it, refine with it, then execute. When you use it that way, it becomes less of a novelty and more of a productivity system. It's important to be honest here. ChatGPT isn't perfect. You still need to check outputs, adjust prompts, and apply judgment. But as a productivity tool and idea assistant, it's extremely powerful. Used correctly, it reduces busy work and helps you focus on higher value tasks. If you want to try ChatGPT yourself, there's a link in the description. I'll also be sharing more videos on AI tools that improve productivity and help with online income. Thanks for watching.